Attorney Cruz, do you have any question for the witness?
Alimena, when that case happened, did you really saw Mr. Mario killed Mr. Bertie? Or did you just saw him beside him?
Nakita ko po talaga siya na pinapatay niya. May prueba ako na nagpapatunay na pinatay niya.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, according to RA 177, if you accuse an innocent man, you will be in jail. Are you really sure?
Yes po.
Alright.
After hearing the witness's testimony and watching the video, I have noticed a significant gap in the prosecution's evidence. Please, everyone. Okay. So, as I have said a while ago, there is a big gap in the prosecution's evidence. There is insufficient proof to conclude that Mario is guilty. However, since the investigation is not yet complete, we will not officially close this case at this time. Don't worry, because we will hold on the case until we uncover the real truth. Therefore, I will adjourn this first case, this first trial, and Mario will remain on bail while waiting on the next hearing. Case 1, 2, 3, 4. Republic of the Philippines versus Mario Santos. Second trial begins now. Good morning to everyone. Please take your seat. Today, we will continue hearing the case. Attorney Cruz, do you have new evidence or witnesses to present?
Yes, Your Honor. I have here a witness, Mr. Vitorias, who have a CCTV camera and called the scene when the time happened.
Mister, can you state your name and your connection to this case?
Well, Mr. Little, I have completed proof evidence that whoever that guy was not the one who killed whatever that other guy was.
Here is the evidence, Your Honor.
footage, do you still believe that Mario Santos killed Ma'am Berting?
No, Your Honor. I was really wrong.
Now, after hearing and seeing all the evidence, especially the CCTV footage, it is very clear that Mario Santos had nothing to do with the death of Ma'am Berting. Therefore, he is cleared of all charges. He is innocent.
Congratulations, Mario, you are free now.
Thank you very much for your help, ma'am.
This case is officially closed.
That's the guy in CCTV skinnier.